Let's run a maintenance session. First, navigate to Computers. This is where you'd select the specific device you want to update. In this case, we're going to use the computer we set up earlier in this onboarding series. Click Run Maintenance. Select your reboot preference. I'm going with reboot if necessary. Now click Start. You can monitor the progress of your maintenance session in real time so you know things are happening right now. What you might not expect is how thoroughly ImmyBot carries out verification and testing. Simply put, ImmyBot tests everything it does before and after it does it, ensuring that changes are applied correctly and consistently. Let's take a look at an example. When updating Adobe Reader, ImmyBot will first find the latest version available using a dynamic version script. Then it will determine which version is currently installed. Then it will queue an upgrade task based on the current state. And finally, ImmyBot will set Adobe Reader to be the default PDF handler by running a configuration task and verifying that everything completed as expected. In this Quick Start video series, you've set up ImmyBot, connected your first computer, created your first deployment, and run a maintenance session. Congratulations. Of course, there's plenty more powerful functionality left to explore in ImmyBot. Stay tuned for additional tutorial videos. Meanwhile, visit our documentation site for more information about how to best use ImmyBot.